Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we will discuss about switch statement is another way to use the multiple conditions. So in previous lesson we discussed about the if else statement, right? So instead of using if else statement, we can use switch statement also. So in this case we are using switch keyword, and here we are checking some expressions or conditions, and in the parentheses we will use the cases. So case A, then this block will be executed, and after that it will break that statement. Okay, so in this case we can use multiple cases. So expression is not matching with any of the cases, then the default case will be executed. So we can check with one simple example. Here we are checking with the day. We are hard coded this value just one. Then we need to print if day is equal to 1, then we need to print Monday. 2 means it's Tuesday, like that. So here we can check switch, open and open brace. Here we are checking this day. And inside this brace, we are checking the case statements. So case equal to 1. Then we need to print that days. So I just copy this. Here we have just print of as Monday. Then break the statement. So next case is equal to 2. We need to use this printf and break. Copy this, paste here. It is 2. It means this Tuesday. So like this we can use, instead of using if else statement, here we can use cases. So case is equal to 3, then Wednesday. So I will write all other days also. So case is equal to 5, then Friday, 6 is Saturday, and 7 equal to Sunday. And we need to print some default. If we are entering, we are inputting like 8 or 9, then we need to print just like numbers in between one answer, like that. So here we can use default. So none of this case matches, then we can use printf. Press enter. Number between 1 to 7. Okay. Now we can just run this code. So here day is equal to 1. Now we are getting month. That is 2. That is 2 square. It is 6. Then Saturday. It is 7. That is Sunday. We are just inputting like 8 or 9 or 10. Anything, any number. Then it will tell, please enter number between 1 and 7. Okay. So if none of these cases is not matching, then the default condition will work. Okay. So using this, we can reduce the code. Okay. Okay. Thanks for watching.